Good morning to my dear teacher and my dear friends. Today I am going to talk about our solar system. The sun, the planets, and all the other objects that move around the planets are collectively called the solar system. The solar system consists of 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are the 8 planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are the inner planets. They are closer to the Sun and are smaller in size compared to the outer planets. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are the outer planets, much bigger than the inner planets. Thank you.